Hey, if you want to find your lost earbud or earbuds on the Redmi Buds 5 Pro, you will have to simply open the Xiaomi Earbuds application and click on the Find Your Earphones. Then you can play left, right, or both of them. So that's how it looks. Okay, it's actually really quiet. I'm gonna put it a little bit closer to the camera. Maybe you will be able to hear that sound. But unfortunately for me, it looks like there will be almost no way to find it outside your house. So if you are in your home and it's, calm situation, maybe you will be able to spot your earbuds. But when you are outside, when you lost your earbud in the office or any place where it's like a big rush, oh, I guess there will be no way to find it. So yeah, but you can try to use it. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel.